Today, let's talk about a name that's not just part of Indian cricket history. It's a name that basically started a revolution. Kapil Dev. He wasn't just another player, he was a total force of nature. He completely changed the game for his country, and we're going to dive into how he did it.
Okay, let's just start with a number, 434. In the long, 5-day version of cricket, that is a massive, monumental achievement for any bowler. We're talking about a career-defining number right there. Now look at this one, 5,248. Again, for a batsman whose main job is to score runs, that's an incredible career total. You'd be thrilled with that.
So here's the kicker. Kapil Dev did both. He is the only player in the entire history of the sport to take more than 400 wickets and score more than 5,000 runs. This isn't just rare, you guys. It's a statistical unicorn. He's literally in a club of one, and that stat all by itself tells you you're dealing with an absolute legend.
And that brings us to what made him so incredibly special. He was the ultimate all-rounder. In cricket, that means you're not just good at two things, you're truly elite at two completely different and incredibly difficult skills, batting and bowling.
So here's a way to think about his two identities. For anyone who's not deep into cricket, imagine a baseball player who is both a top-tier Cy Young winning pitcher and a home run champion at the same time. On one hand, he was India's main weapon, a fast, intimidating bowler. And on the other, he was this aggressive, hard-hitting batsman who could just walk in and change the entire mood of a game in minutes.
You know, his arrival on the scene back in the late 70s was nothing short of explosive. It's no wonder he got the nickname the Haryana Hurricane. He wasn't just another guy joining the team, he felt like a totally new species of Indian cricketer.
And you can see his immediate impact right here. When he debuted in 1978, he completely startled the Pakistani batsmen with his raw pace and his bouncers. You know, these short, aggressive deliveries? It was something they just weren't used to seeing from an Indian bowler. He also quickly blasted India's fastest ever half-century in Test cricket. See, before him, India was famous for its clever spin bowlers, but a genuinely fearsome fast bowler, that was a serious rarity. He was the guy who changed all that.
But you know, being a brilliant player is one thing. Leading a team to an absolutely impossible victory is something else entirely. And that brings us to the miracle of 1983. At the Cricket World Cup that year, India were massive underdogs. I mean, in the two previous tournaments combined, they had only won a single game. Nobody gave them a chance.
So the big question hanging over everything was pretty simple. Could this team, these complete long shots, led by a captain who was only 24 years old, actually go on and conquer the world? Honestly, it sounded like a fantasy novel.
Well, this led to one of the greatest stories in all of cricket. In a must-win match, India completely fell apart. They were at 17 runs for 5 wickets. I mean, that is a disaster. They were staring elimination right in the face. And then, Kapil Dev walks out to bat. What he did next is the stuff of legend. And the crazy part is, because of a TV strike, nobody ever saw it broadcast live. He just launched this unbelievable counterattack, scoring 175 runs, and single-handedly dragged his team to a win that kept their World Cup dream alive.
And that dream somehow carried them all the way to the final, against the West Indies, a team that seemed completely unbeatable. India didn't score many runs, so their chances looked slim. The legendary batsman Viv Richards was starting to take the game away from them, until Kapil, sprinting backwards for what felt like an eternity, took this spectacular, high-pressure catch to get him out. It's a moment everyone points to as the catch that turned the entire final on its head.
And then, the impossible happened. India won the World Cup. It was a victory that changed the entire landscape of cricket forever, and at just 24 years old, Kapil Dev became the youngest captain to ever lift that trophy.
But that historic win, that was just one chapter in an incredible story. His entire career was about constantly pushing boundaries, breaking records, and cementing a legacy as one of the true all-time greats.
Just look at these numbers for a second. They're staggering. Across hundreds of matches in both formats of the game, he piled up thousands of runs and hundreds of wickets. This wasn't just a flash in the pan. This was sustained top-level excellence at two different jobs over a very long career.
And then, in 1994, he reached what for many is the absolute pinnacle. He broke the world record for the most wickets in Test cricket history. At that moment, he stood alone at the very top of the mountain, a truly crowning achievement.
But the story doesn't just end with a perfect fairy tale retirement. Like a lot of public figures, his life after playing cricket brought some immense challenges and some real adversity. So as this timeline shows, he was appointed coach of the national team in 1999. But his time as coach was completely overshadowed by a huge match-fixing scandal in the sport. A former teammate came forward and alleged that Kapil had tried to bribe him years before. The media and public pressure was just immense, and he ended up resigning in September 2000. But, and this is the crucial part of the story, India's Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, did a full inquiry, and in November 2000, they officially cleared him of everything, stating there was no credible evidence to back up the allegations.
So after all of it, the incredible stats, the World Cup, the records, and the trials, what is his lasting legacy? Well, it goes so much further than just the numbers. He gave a whole generation of Indian cricketers the belief that they could be aggressive, that they could be fast bowlers, and that they could be champions of the world. Kapil Dev didn't just play the game, he fundamentally changed